Hello guys, good morning. I just want to today present the final test of my stove that I believe you watched it last time, and I made some redesigning of my stove, and for providing more high coefficient of the stove, I added specific device. This device is an electrical fan that can add the airflow to the stove. This stove, basically, as you know from my previous video, is made from the armor box, and I just added the door with airflow regulator, and this the leg, and this I put a two piece of wood. And from this side I added magnet thermometer that can control the temperature, and also I designed like this additional subassembly that include the fan, electrical fan, control regulator, volt control regulator, and just a few fittings that can help you to assemble this device to the stove. I want to just say that I bought on the Amazon, on the Temu site, a few parts that include the control voltage regulator, and this box that has the rechargeable battery, I did by 3D printing. Okay, so I'm going to provide additional airflow that could be helped for this stove to increase the thermal coefficient, because pyrolysis gases that goes through this flow, this exhaust, unfortunately decrease the coefficient of efficiency. That's why adding additional airflow will be helped to significantly to increase efficiency of this stove. So now I'm going to add this subassembly to this stove. Okay, I just wanted to show you what is my redesign of this armor box. You can open up the cover, and you can see that this piece of plate that divides the whole this volume of box divided into the two parts. The airflow goes to the upper and goes through exhaust. This exhaust. Okay. I added this is a few fittings that this has a few holes that allow the airflow that goes through this fitting, okay, goes out from this hole, and in this volume is created additional air that can the burn of gases. So this means that I believe and I hope that coefficient will be goes up. So let me add this my device. Okay, that include so I just added this device that include, again want to repeat, the electrical fan, the rechargeable battery with control voltage, and this a few fittings. So basically now I'm going to just add the exhaust pipe, telescopic exhaust pipe that will be create additional pressure, because will be differential pressure of air between this level and upper level. So for beginning, I'm going to burn the a few pieces of wood. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to make turn on of this fan, and after I'm going to check the temperature on this surface, of the side surface, of the top surface by this thermometer. So this thermometer allows to receive what is temperature on the surface. So. Okay, let me start to burn and start to provide this test. I just use a piece of starting. Need to be open up this vent on. Let me provide burning. This is every store test like this started for wood stove. And I open up this valve as a on position. The air could be, gases could be goes out from stove. And here I have a regulator. This could be regulate a flow inlet. On or off. The first one needs to be put completely on. You can see this flame now burning. Okay, and let me now start to measure the temperature from beginning. Okay. Ну, не работает. Это такое, не проверю. I just wanted to use this control thermometer, and the laser thermometer shows the temperature is 60 degrees of Celsius on the side surface and 84 degrees now on the top surface. And let me start to I just wanted again measure the temperature on the exhaust pipe. You can see the laser spot. Also 40 degrees of Celsius on this spot, and this only 23 degrees of Celsius. Okay, and you can see the gas go out from this exhaust. So if this temperature 125 degrees, okay, now I can start to turn on the regulator, and this also specific switch that allows you provide different level of voltage. This common button and this is no button that I can control. Now the maximum. I wanted to make it slow voltage. This means very low level of charging of this fan, and so small level of airflow that goes in, goes upper, and goes out. And this value, as I said before, the gases will be burned completely 100%, I hope. And I believe the temperature now will be increased. Yeah, now 194 degrees. No, как я покажу? 180 now. Right? 180. So then I hope the temperature will go up. 221 degrees. I can increase the airflow on the middle. I put regulator on the middle. You can see the blue light here, I believe. Okay. Это покажи, как дует сверху. We shows on the exhaust. What the temperature here? For example, this 65 degree now. It was, as you remember, 23, and now on the up 28. What is this here? 20 degrees. 40 degrees, and this 185 degrees, 45 degrees. So this means that this parts of surface in future could be used as thermochanging in additional device. So this stove, I believe, will be very helpful to provide additional warming in the tent or in different rooms. So I hope that this airflow additional will be increased efficiency around 85% from 10% of this stove. Let me provide changing level of revolution of this fan. This now maximum of voltage. This means maximum of revolutions. So let me again provide temperature measurement control. Now 152. I wanted to open the door, and you can see the almost small amount of wood, almost completely burning, just now a small amount of wood that's left. So I believe that, of course, you can change this design as you want it, but this additional device with a fan, of course, it increase the efficiency of this wood stove. Let me say thank you so much, and if you have some comments, I will be happy to respond to you, and I'll see you soon on my video channel. Thank you. Bye bye, and have a great day.